Okay, I'm going to try again showing you how to thread this Singer S16. I'm going to use a dark thread, navy thread. Okay, you're going to bring it up here through the thread looper. You have a looper right here to go through. Then you come on down here. We have 3 holes that you can go through. But you don't really need to go through all 3 holes unless you're sewing with some really fine, delicate fabric. You can just skip on over and go to the 3rd hole. Okay, you get that in there. Then you come behind those discs. Come on down here. In between, there's a disc right there. Go right in between there. And come up. Then you're going to come back. Actually, what you're going to do is you're going to come down and you're going to catch that lever, see? Then you go underneath that arm, behind this arm, and you have a little tiny hole here that you're going to have to go through. Be careful not to tangle up your thread. Back through there again. Then you got to loop, swoosh through there. Another one down here. And then this threader is a little bit easier to use than the Juki one. That doesn't mean I'm going to be able to get it, but no, I didn't. I still have trouble with these type of threaders, but it's a lot easier to use than the Juki. So I hope that helped and you can see how it's threaded. See, right up through there. See those little discs there? It's hard for me to do it and hold the camera. But there's discs right there you're going to put it through. And you're going to come down behind here, like that.